Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going to do a closet clean out because it is like way past time for me to do this. I try to do it like every couple of months and I could not even tell you the last time I have done this. So we need to do this. I need to organize my closet. I need to get rid of stuff that I haven't worn in a very long time. So that is my goal for today. And I figured, why not film it and bring you guys along with me? If I have to do it, you have to do it too. Okay, just kidding, but no, I really need to do this. So let's get to work. Okay, welcome to my closet. It's honestly not very big, so this is going to be kind of hard to film. It's long, but it's not very wide. And I take up most of these clothes. This is literally Joey's section right here. And then he has this shelf. And then the rest of this is my stuff. Honestly, probably donating a bunch of stuff and just like reorganizing it because it's honestly a mess. I also need to go through this. This is like sheets, and you guys can't even see it, but it's a bunch of sheets that I need to like fold and probably clear some stuff out. Yeah. I feel like I'm a hoarder in some like aspects of my clothes. I'm like half and half, because here's the thing. I have a very like fluctuating body type. Like, I don't know if it's like hormones or what, but like my body weight fluctuates up and down like throughout the year. Like a good 20 pounds up and down. Not even kidding. I wish I was. I wish I could stay down, but unfortunately my body does not work that way. So some of this stuff is kind of tight, but I also don't want to get rid of it because, like I said, I go up and down throughout the year. So I don't even know. I feel like I need to retire this. I'm also at the point in my life where I just want a good quality item. Target. I actually love this. This is a new day. I like the style of it, but I feel like it doesn't look the best. So I don't know. I'm like, oh. Okay. Like, I think I'm definitely, a lot of this stuff I haven't worn in a long time, so I'm definitely getting rid of that stuff that I haven't worn. Like, these are a bunch of summer dresses. This is so cute, but it's way too small. The sizing is definitely off. If you've ever ordered anything from Cider, let me know how you thought the sizing was. I love this print so much, but it was so small, and I got my normal size and it was like 3 sizes too small. So let me know if that happened to you when ordering from Cider. And now I have a lot of dresses, and I kind of want to keep some of these like spring dresses that I haven't really worn a ton before, because now we go to church like every Sunday and I will have somewhere to wear them now, whereas before I didn't really have anywhere to wear them. But now I do. So I definitely kind of want to keep some of those, but some of them I will definitely be parting with. I love this little dress from Shein, but at the same time it was kind of like very short. It looks cute with leggings, but I'm like, I don't know. I haven't really worn it like I thought I would, so I might donate this too. So this is a really cute dress. I think I will keep this because it could be a good dress for church as well. I'm hoping my mic isn't getting muffled in here. I just thought about that. Let me check the sound. I just did a mic check, and so if I have the clothes up close to my microphone, I will be making some funny noises. So I'm going to try not to do that. Just bear with me, okay? I'm going to try hard. Okay, so I think I pretty much did what I could in this first section. I was able to get rid of a few things in the first section. That's like my skirts and dresses, although there is 2 jackets right there that I need to move over here, but we'll reorganize that in a minute. Right now I'm just kind of like trying to purge stuff. This is where it's going to be a lot more stuff to purge. I feel like I buy stuff and then I'm like, I don't really wear it like I thought I would. That's my issue. I love this little cardigan for Valentine's Day, so I'll probably keep that. Oh yeah, I'm definitely I need to put this away because it's like a fall shirt, but I also might donate it. I haven't decided. I didn't even wear it this year. I think I'm gonna donate this. I wore it like a few times when I first got it, but I don't know. Not my fave anymore. Okay, definitely donating this. For whatever reason, I keep keeping it, and I have never worn this. Getting rid of it. By the way, today is New Year's Day, so I'm not gonna upload this yet. I think it goes up next week, but that's what today is. So I hope everyone is having a fabulous New Year's. Let me know some of your goals down in the comment section. I honestly don't have any goals this year. I feel like I don't have a ton of goals this year. I just want to be more present, less social media, which I feel like I've already been doing that a lot. I've been reading more and scrolling less, which has been nice. I think I'm gonna donate this because I love the sleeves on this shirt. It's from Old Navy, but it's like so cropped. Everything at Old Navy these days is just so cropped. Drives me crazy. I want to donate this mama shirt. I don't know. I haven't really worn it in a while, so I'm gonna donate that. Like, this still has the tags on it. I haven't even worn this yet. I'll probably get more wear out of that in the spring. Okay, definitely also donating this one. T-shirt, graphic tee. I feel like Old Navy graphic tees are very hit or miss, especially quality-wise. So I'm gonna donate this jersey because they're not even a team anymore. This little set I got from the TikTok shop, and I haven't even worn it, so I need to try this on. If I don't like it, I might donate that too, but I'm gonna try it on. Definitely donating this. I've had this for, gosh, well over like 15 years probably. It's a like gingham blazer from Forever 21, but it's about hit its maximum weight limit. So I'm donating that. I can't decide if I want to donate this. I feel like I kind of like, I don't know, it's cute. It's like something a kid would wear at the same time, so I don't really want to wear it. Okay, I did just literally buy this jacket from the TikTok shop, I think in the fall, but I think I'm going to donate it because I haven't worn it once. So I'm going to donate that. Like, some of these graphic tees I like to keep because I wear them mostly in the summer. So I'm trying to remind myself of that. Okay, I feel like that's everything from that pile. What is this? Oh, these are pants. Okay, this needs to just be washed. These are dress pants. I also need to go through my pants, so we're gonna do that too, because that's a mess. Honestly, a lot of this stuff can be gone because I barely wear it. I love this jacket, but I don't really wear it. I kind of want to keep it though. I also love this one, but I don't wear it either. Okay, this one I'm definitely donating. I actually got this one for free, so it doesn't hurt my feelings too much to donate it. Okay, this, as much as I've always loved this jacket from Shein, I think I'm going to donate it. I don't wear it anymore. I just can't do denim jackets, I feel like. I don't know. This is Joey's, and I don't think he wears it, but I'm going to double check. So I'll probably go and donate that. I have one leather jacket left, and if you know me, like, I've always loved a good leather jacket, and I've donated them all but one, and I barely wear it. And I'm tempted, but no, I'm going to keep it. Just in case. I might want to pick it up one day. All right, that's all of the jacket. Oh, I was wondering where this one was. I'm hanging this one back up. This is like a puffer from Old Navy. Definitely keeping that. All right. Hang that up here for just a second. Okay. I also have these like trash bags at the bottom that I have stuff with stuff So I'm gonna go through these. I'll probably get rid of like pretty much everything in them. Oh my god, I forgot all about this. It was just like at the bottom of the closet. I don't even know if I can wear this. We're gonna have to try this on too. Throw that over there. Rise up so I can get this stuff onto the bed. Donation pile. We have quite a bit. I'm actually proud of myself for purging. I'm not done though. I still have other things I have to go through, but for now, I'm gonna try that on just in case. Yeah. But like, is anybody else super sentimental like band t-shirts and stuff like that? I think I'm gonna keep because I feel like that would be fun for the kids to have. Like I feel like they could be into that when they're older. So I'll definitely keep that. So I just got this out of the closet. You can barely see me. This has a lot of like Christmas stuff in here. So I actually have stuff in the dining room I need to put in here. But I also kind of want to go through it. Look, I could have been wearing these today on New Year's Day. This is what I mean. Like I feel like I should get rid of this stuff because I don't wear it. Definitely donating those. These are so cute, but I think I wore them like once. Funny story about these. I ordered them from TikTok shop. They run like 3 sizes too small. They refunded me my money, and then something went crazy with my TikTok account where I thought I had deactivated it, but I actually deleted it. And then, so I couldn't figure out what happened with these because I had returned them and then they came back to my address. But they gave me my money back, but I still got the pants back. I don't even know why I'm keeping them. I should probably just donate those. I think I'm going to donate this. This was my maternity dress with Aspen. But this was my maternity dress with Axel. I feel like I should keep these. I'm going to keep them. I really am trying to be picky, but I'm thinking about donating this, but then I'm like, could I wear this to church? I feel like I could wear this to church. It's just like a midi velvet gown. I can still wear velvet in the winter. I might keep it. And then I'll donate the black one. Okay, I found some trash bags. I'm gonna start bagging this stuff up. Not this, but these piles. Bag them up and get them out the way so I can bring out my jeans and pants so I can go through those. Okay, and we're back. Let's see, okay. All right, so I have this. Those are Christmas. Shorts. These are my pants. So I'm trying to like decide what I'm keeping and what I'm not keeping. Obviously keeping leggings because I feel like I pretty much live in leggings. These. Those. These I love so much. These are Walmart cargos. But they have a hole in them, but I've still been wearing them. And I know they have an updated version of these, so I think I'm going to keep them until I can get an updated version, and then I'm going to toss them. But I love them so much. Okay guys, welcome to my empty shelves. These are all leggings. I'm just going to keep these right here because if I'm being honest, this is what I'm gravitating towards like on the daily is my leggings and a t-shirt. So I'm just going to leave those in here. Oh look, I have a pair that isn't black. How about that? Okay, this is summer stuff. So I'm going to sit that right up there and we'll have to deal with that. You can't even see it, but we'll deal with that in the summer. Okay, and then these, I'm just going to kind of organize like to what makes sense to me, but I know it's not really going to make sense to anybody else. But it's just stuff that I gravitate towards more than others. So like leggings. I guess I could put these in there because they're jogging pants. But like this is jeans, these are cargos. Leggings. These are cargos, but I don't wear them as often as I wear those. These I wear a decent amount of time, as well as these. So this is like going to be my most used. All right, so we have some t-shirts. I have a lot of t-shirts, and I just keep these in here because I don't have a dresser. I give Joey the dresser because I take up so much of the closet. Okay guys, now we are on to like the sheets and pillowcases. I feel like there's a ton of that stuff that I can get rid of. So that's what I'm doing right now. I think I'm gonna keep all the blue sheets that we have and like blue pillowcases. I'll keep that one. There's my other shoe. I'm like, where the heck is this shoe? Okay, found it. So yeah, I'm gonna get rid of a ton of sheets because we have too many and we only use like certain ones. I have like 4 trash bags now, y'all. Alright guys, I just got even stricter on myself. I'm like, let me go back through everything again and just make sure I pulled everything out, because I honestly don't wear half of this stuff and it's no point in keeping it. So I went back through and pulled out some stuff to donate. I think I've worn this maybe once. It's so cute, but I just don't like the way it looks on me. Yeah, I've had this shirt for years. It was one of my favorite shirts forever. I got it in a Dia & Co box. You know, I don't even know if they still do that. But it was my favorite shirt. But I just feel like I haven't worn it in like years. I did wear it when I went back to work for like a week. I think I wore it that week. Now I'm debating, do I want to keep this or not? I just love this shirt so much. Okay, you know what? I just talked myself into it. I'm keeping it. I'm really bad at this. Okay. I also talked myself into keeping this because I feel like I would like this in the summer. So I'm keeping it.
You want me to put this one here too?
You can back at the top or something. Jeez. Alright. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I have about 5 bags of trash bags, I think, of donations. So I feel like we did a good job. We purged what we could. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.